Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening YouTube now and typing the most precise movie title you know. Use the year or director to reduce noise. For example, include 1999 or the director's last name. Once done, scan the top results and look for official channels or verified badges. Make sure to switch to the filters menu immediately to restrict duration to long videos if you want the full feature, or to clips if you want highlights. These first actions cut search time and surface higher quality matches quickly. Now refine the results by checking who uploaded the video and reading descriptions. You want official channels or credible sources because user uploads can be partial or flagged. Compare the video length to the movie's known runtime. If it's far shorter, it's likely a clip. Once you find a plausible upload, open the description to verify licensing, timestamps, or external links. If results are still messy, rerun the search with quotation marks around the title and add the year or the phrase full movie to tighten matches. Finally, play the video for a short period to confirm it's the real movie and not a mashup or mislabeled clip. Scan the first few minutes for expected opening credits. Once confirmed, save it to watch later or a dedicated playlist so you can return quickly. If the video is blocked in your region, try the filters menu for location-safe uploads or search the studio's official channel. As a fallback, renting or buying through legitimate stores may be necessary. Troubleshoot by refreshing, checking account age, or clearing cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.